Hi, I'm Jenn Trepeck of Salad with a Side of Fries podcast, here in Hell's Kitchen for Flavors of New York to check out Masseria Dei Vini. Let's head inside.
Hi, my name is Pino Coladonato. I'm a chef and partner at Masseria Dei Vini on 9th Avenue between 57 and 58th Street. And welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna make it for you terra mare, which is sea and land. I'm gonna have some octopus, cuttlefish, fava beans puree, and fried onions, a typical Apulian dish. I'm gonna put some salt, just a little bit. I'm gonna put some black pepper, and we're gonna put some olive oil. We're gonna marinate them. Now we're gonna put it on the grill after we marinate it. It takes about 6 to 7 minutes. Because before they've really tenderized the octopus. The cuttlefish, it takes 3 minutes more or less. It's very common in Puglia to have octopus and cuttlefish, and it's very common that we tenderize the octopus before we cooking. That's why it's all curly already, because it was tenderized. We usually say we beat them really hard and they get tenders. And then, you know, the fava puree, it's a typical dish that we do in Italy. And that's the origin is, from the farm and the fishermen together comes this dish. Well, we're gonna wait now that they've really tenderized. Then we are already frying the onions in extra virgin olive oil. Frying the oil, and we have the fava puree that it's already cooked. Only fava puree, water, salt, pepper, and we put some potato just to make it a little bit, sweet. Put it back in the plate. What I do now is I put some oil and I squeeze a nice lemon. And we bake it in the oven. 5 minutes and they will be ready. In the last 10 years, Puglia was recognized to be one of the best places in the world for the food, the culture, the people. It's a beautiful place to go see. The octopus is ready, so we're gonna plate. We're gonna start by putting some fava beans. Now I'm placing the onions. The combination with fava beans and fried onions, it gives an explosion of flavor. Flavor from the octopus. Last touch, extra virgin olive oil. Here we have.
Hi, my name is Gianni Onofri. I'm the GM of Masseria Dei Vini, and welcome to come in our restaurant. Traditional cuisine of this restaurant is from Puglia, and today we serve an appetizer that the chef Pino prepared for you. The appetizer, there is a bed of fava beans with cuttlefish and octopus. These are traditional dishes from Puglia. Puglia is in the hill of Italy. Masseria Dei Vini is a restaurant, southern Italian restaurant, and Masseria means farmhouse. In the south, there was like the farmers, they used to work in the field and sleep in this house called Masseria. So they were sleeping and eating with the sheep, with the animals, cooking and working in the Masseria. Masseria dei Vini also because if you see, we have a big wall of wines. Here we have awarded many years with the Wine Spectator with 2 glasses, and I can suggest a white wine with this dish if you like. I'm gonna give a Falanghina, it's a white wine from the south. Enjoy your meal, and after we're gonna talk about the second course.
All right, I'm so excited to try our first course. I'm here with Laura. Cheers. Ooh, that's delicious too. Absolutely delicious. The octopus, the fava bean puree, perfect combination.
This is an amazing way to start out our meal for sure.
So now we're gonna do a pasta dish, which is not a pasta. It's before it becomes flour. It's the whole grain. This grain comes from Italy. It's an ancient Apulia grain. It's called grano buono. And we're gonna do this one with a little bit of difference. That we're gonna add some seafood in there. We used to do with only cannellini beans, tomato sauce, and pecorino cheese. We only adding also all seafood, which is this seafood over here, some shrimps, cuttlefish, calamari, clams, and mussels. We already cut all the fish. I already sauteed it with everything. Now we're gonna add some grain. The grain, it was already cooked because it takes 2 to 3 hours, depending on the soaking time that you have. Put some cannellini beans that we already cooked before. The grain will take all the flavors from the sauce, takes all the seafood, the beans, and I would say another 5 minutes will be ready. This is parsley. We're going to finish with some extra virgin olive oil. I will eat also the parsley.
Okay, this is the second course. We serve granotto. Granotto is an ancient grain from the south of Italy. It was like rediscovered. It's like a whole grain, and it's made in the same way that we make risotto, but instead of rice, this is a wheat. So for this is a gluten-free, it has no gluten, and is served with seafood, touch of tomato, and white beans. It's a really rustic dish, and you try the consistency of the grain is really interesting because it's different than rice.
So delicious. It's like a hearty home-cooked meal.
I want to introduce my oven. The oven is Stefano Ferrara. He's an oven maker in Naples, Italy. He usually uses the stone from the lava of Vesuvio. And we ordered from him. We went in Italy, we picked it up, and we brought it to New York. And today for you, Alejandro will make a pizza with black truffles using simple ingredients, black truffles, fontina cheese, fresh mozzarella, and a little bit of heavy cream. Enjoy.
We are serving our signature pizza. Is a pizza with black truffle. It is like the best mozzarella we can find on the market. Black truffle, Parmesan cheese, and this is our signature pizza.
I'm very excited to try this delicious pizza. It's got tons of freshly shaven black truffle and this amazingly fresh mozzarella. I can't wait to try it. Oh my god. Can I get one to go?
Oh my god. I love all things truffle. This is next level. Do not miss this.
Good afternoon, my name is Andrea. I'm the wine director and the manager at Masseria Dei Vini. Today I'm gonna perform two of our signature cocktails. I'm gonna start with the tequila cocktail. I'm gonna add some ginger to it, which has a pungent flavor. It really helps the mixing with the tequila and the lime juice, and give you a really nice aftertaste. Use some tequila, cenote, lime juice, some Grand Marnier. Just gonna add like a bar spoon of agave syrup, just to add a little sweetness to it. It's gonna be served in a cup. Gonna top strain it. Serve it with the candied diced ginger as a garnish.
All right, here we go. Cheers. Delicious. Like a margarita with a little bit of ginger, not too much. Amazing.
Second cocktail of the day is gonna be a vodka-based cocktail. We're gonna use some fresh raspberries, some Saint Germain, and some simple syrup. Very easy cocktail. As a garnish, we're gonna use 3 fresh raspberries. Here's your cocktail. That's the MDV cocktail, Masseria Dei Vini.
The color is amazing. I'm super excited to try it. Oh my god, wow. It is so fragrant. It feels like, I don't even know, like I just bit into like a rainbow. Like it's so wonderful.
Okay, the last but not least is the dessert that Masseria Dei Vini offer you. So today we're gonna serve tiramisu. Looks like a boring dessert, but one is one of the best tiramisu that we can serve, in my opinion. Delizia Limone is a lemon sponge cake dessert. It's traditional from Amalfi, Positano, that area, because there are really big lemon area, and this is a specific dessert from that area. And this is our cheesecake. You cannot call cheesecake. It's a torta di ricotta. It's a creamy, our version of New York cheesecake. You have to try. I'm gonna put it in the middle of the table, and thank you for coming. And I hope to having you back soon. Thank you very much.
Grazie.
Okay, questo.
Thank you, Chef Spectacular. Thank you so much. Really delicious. Thank you, Chef.
James, we're running your shot.
Oh, sorry. Oh my goodness.
Cheers.
Cheers.
The cheesecake is so light and it's so smooth. It is the perfect way to end on a meal, especially if you're at an Italian restaurant. So good. So this has been Laura Bray at Lauragram NYC. I've had a great time. What about you, Jen?
It's been totally amazing and delicious. Masseria Dei Vini is not to be missed on your list for New York City. I'm Jenn Trepeck of Salad with a Side of Fries podcast and Flavors of New York. We'll see you next time.